Namaste everyone and thank you very much for joining me in this tutorial. So in this one I'm going to show you the text summarizer which has been developed through Django. Now how it works, that's what I'm going to brief you first, and after that I'm going to tell you about how you can set it up on your respective device. So let's not waste the time and straight away dive into the lecture and check out the text summarizer. So with this option you can change the language of the text summarizer from English to Hindi. If you want to change, you can do it like this, and from to go back to English. So this is how you can do it, right? Now you can use a URL, or else you can copy and paste the whole text you want to get the summary of. For example, if you want to get the summary of this page, so this is the URL of the page. Let's just paste it over here. And then if I want a summary of, let's say, 10 lines. So this is how I need to set it over here under number of sentences. And then there are two more options present here in this drop down. So one is the sentence scoring and the other one is word frequency. For now, let's go with sentence scoring and let's summarize the text we have on this page. So this is what we get as a summary, right? Let's go back. Okay, and this time I'm going to copy the whole text and I'm going to paste it over here like this. Let's just remove the URL. Now if we will click here on the summarize button, this is what we got, right? Going back, and let's just reduce the number of sentences. So this time 5, and let's select word frequency summarize. So this is again a summary which I got from the option named word frequency. Right, let's go back and check out if we can summarize the Hindi text. So for that I have a page open here. Let's copy the URL first and paste it over here, and I'm going to just click the summarize button. So this is the summary of the page, right? And it's completely in Hindi except the first word. Let's go back and let's just copy the text and paste it in the text summarizer application. I'm going to remove the URL and let us increase the number of sentences. So summarize, and this is what we got as a summary. Now if we change it to word frequency, so again we'll get a summary like this. Okay, and let's just change the number of sentences to 4. What's gonna happen next? So yeah, we got a summary, and which is of, I think, 10 to 15 lines, right? And that's how you can use the text summarizer. Now how you can set it up on your respective device, let me just help you with that. So the first thing you have to do is you need to download the code on your device with the help of the link of the GitHub repo, which I am putting in the description section, which I've put in the description section. You can get the code from there and just download the code and bring it up on your VS Code environment. Once you're through with it, you can run the command called python manage.py migrate, which is going to migrate all the models to the database in the form of tables, right? So this is what you have to do next. And once you're done with migrating the tables, just check if you have anything for migrations. So this is the command you can use for checking it out. And then you have to create a super user. So this is the command using which you can do it. So let's just create a random super user for now. So uh, Amit, and email address Hamid123, Hamid123. Okay, so we successfully created a super user, and it's time for running the application. So this is how you can run the application using the simple command python manage.py run server, and it will make the application come up on the local machine of yours on port number 8000. So here you can test the text summarizer, and you can check out the result also. So this is it from my side in this lecture. I hope you guys enjoyed this one a lot. Do not forget to like and share this video in your groups so as to make it reach to the maximum students possible. And also do like the video. Liking is must and sharing is also must, because the more you will share, the more people I will be able to reach to, right? This, thank you very much. And the people who are looking for Python coding lectures, they can attend my coding lectures free of cost on Google Meet. So what I do is I conduct I take coding classes on weekends on Google Meet, and I also simultaneously make it live on YouTube. So if you want to interact with me, you have some queries and you want to talk to me about those queries, you can come and talk to me on my Google Meet, right? You can be a part of my group. So this is the number which you see on your devices right now, on which you can send me a text. I will, add you guys in my group, and then I will share the Google Meet link. You can join my lectures using that link and enjoy free coding classes. So this is it from my side. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Bye bye, take care, and have a great day ahead, guys.